All right, we're here inside of my chicken coop. None of the chickens are in here because I just had to do a spray down with some anti-mite stuff. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what I do for ventilation in my chicken coop and how it's nice and cheap, readily available, and easily found. You don't have to order the parts online. Those are usually my main criteria whenever I do solutions here on the farm. So let's have a look. You may or may not recognize these. They're computer fans. You're able to get them for 50 cents a piece. You can get them at computer stores. You can get them at thrift stores. You can order them in bulk online. These ones do 160 cubic feet per minute. So here's one on the back of my coop. And on the other side, we have another one over here. And so I have them at different elevations. I have a pitched ceiling, so I'm kind of drawing air from both sides. The great thing about these fans is the fact that, like I said, they're readily available, but they're meant to work in crappy environments like this, where you do have dust and you do have grime going through. And if they do break, they're easy enough to fix. They're not running right now because I have the power off elsewhere, and they're also a touch loud for when I'm doing video. So all I've done is I've taken these, they run on DC power, so they don't just plug into a conventional socket. What I've done is I've gone to a thrift store and I've found some AC to DC adapters. Basically, a lot of electronics run on on DC, and so what happens is here, I don't want to flip it around, but you can see that it's a 12 volt, 500 milliamps out. And so I know that for a fact that my fans run 100 milliamps each. So just off this one adapter, if I ran them in series, what I could do is I could actually run 5 of those. And so off this one little adapter that I bought for $1. So then I have the other adapter running over here. It's tucked away back here. This one's a much bigger one. I think this one could handle up to 10 fans. So wiring it up is super simple and using some electrical tape. So that's what I do for coop ventilation. I do have it on a timer. They're relatively quiet. And like I said, cheap, readily available to find, easy to set up. They're great. I'll be installing some more so I get a little more airflow in here. And I'm planning on using them inside of my hoop houses as well as my greenhouses. Because they run on direct current, you can run them straight off a solar panel, and the solar panel doesn't need to be that big. So I hope that's helpful for you and your ventilation needs. Like I said in the video, you can use them in the chicken coop, but also you can use them in your greenhouses. You can use them on solar panels. Just think of the possibilities that you might need to be able to dry something out. Onions, garlic, the list goes on. So it's a lot more small and direct, so you can also use them in channels and tunnels. And anyway, gives you a little bit to chew on. Hope that's helpful. Leave some comments down below.